Okay, hello everyone. We have two different videos started because we've started the AC where we pump down, and I haven't posted that yet because we're going to wait and post it when we get the AC up. And we're also starting our bead board, and as we're doing our bead board, we're kind of marking our windows. So I was just going to kind of give you guys a start on what we're doing here. We made our own template. Our windows did not come with the template, so we had to make a template for our windows and cut those out. Then because we had our windows marked behind the beadboard where we wanted them, so we had to kind of do it as we put the beadboard up so we could mark them somehow to know exactly where they need to go, make sure they're high enough, make sure they're in the right place, because I'm putting in 3 of these windows right here, but I'm going to try to make it look like one. I mean, there'll be a 4.5-inch space between each one, but I'm going to put one curtain on it and make it look like one bigger window. That's my plan. Hope it works out okay. But there's the template. We marked close to center on the window, on the template, and we put top and bottom on the template. And we hung it where we needed it, and then he drilled a hole through. And that hole, we're going to match up on the outside of the trailer. Excuse me. On the outside of the trailer when we get ready to cut it. And then once he matches that up, we'll know that we have the template in the right place on the outside of the trailer. So that's where we're starting with the windows, and as we work on the windows and do more, we'll show you guys how we're doing it, and post that too. Okay, we're making a couple more templates for the other side so we don't have to take this one down, and we just thought it'd be easier since we already have the cardboard here. And I was just going to show you guys, when you get ready to make your template, Rusty, kind of point out the part you're outlining it versus the part you don't want to outline, and you'll make your hole too big.
I'm outlining the inside piece.
The inside. You do not do not outline that outside piece. You will cut your hole way too big.
It's all right that my lines are going to be on the outside, because if you notice, this is at a, I don't know if you can see it, but this is at a taper on this. So this part here is about the same height as the inside part of this.
Yeah, I don't know if I see what you're talking about. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera.
I don't know if it'll show up on camera or not. But.
So that's what he's outlining. So I just wanted to show you guys that. When you get ready to outline, don't accidentally lay the window down and just start outlining the outside, or that your cut will be way too big and you'll have to find another window to be able to fill that hole or figure out a way to fix it. So see, he's just doing the inside, the bottom edge of that. Okay, and after he gets it all marked for me, I'm going to take the knife. What do we call that? Box knife. I couldn't think of the name of it. I'm going to take the box knife and cut it out, mark top and bottom, and mark center. I mean, center doesn't have to be dead on, but close. All right, thanks, guys. Hello, everyone. So Rusty is starting these windows. I may already have a video I'm going to put in front of this one. I can't remember what I've got in my saved on my phone here, but he's outlined inside, and then I'll take you outside and let you see what's going on outside. Okay, there's kind of where we're at, marking out here, and he's got his hose drilled in the middle, and that's how he was able to kind of figure out where the marks out here go. So he drilled a hole, he put the template on the inside, drilled a hole, and then brought the template out here. So it's pretty simple. Okay, I'm going to film when he starts cutting. Okay guys, and you know, when you're building your cargo trailer, sometimes you kind of mess up a little bit or forget something. We forgot that there was 2 beams right here side by side. So even though Rusty had these perfectly spaced out, exactly the same width and everything, we had no choice but to move that window over 1 inch. And that hole that's down there, we already put the window up there. It's completely covered by the window. And of course we have butyl tape that'll cover the hole too. So we're good there. Rusty's electric wire keeps flying out on this side of the wall. He's going to have to put that back in there. I guess when he puts his window in, he'll scoot it over. But yeah, what is it? exciting day when you're doing windows, but it's also a very, very scary day because you know you don't get a do-over on windows. So, but there we are so far. You know, you guys see he put the blue tape to keep from scratching our trailer around it while he was, what's that saw you used, Rusty, called?
Jigsaw.
He used a jigsaw, and he marked them. And I showed you guys the templates on another video. So, and he's cutting them. And we're going to do these 3 first, then we have 2 more on the other side to eventually. And I can't really see what y'all can see because the sun is right in my face. But, so hopefully I'm holding it where he's working. But, yeah, the rest of it, he does have to go in and cut that beadboard because his jigsaw wouldn't go all the way through.
Wouldn't want it to.
He wouldn't want it to, he said.
Because...
it would splinter it up.
No, well, that too. Not too bad, though, because I'd be cutting it from the back. But jigsaw blades, when you're cutting, don't stay straight.
Oh.
And it's liable to hold either be too big or too small, or just the line will be crooked, or...
So he's going to go inside and he's going to cut kind of a middle hole in that, and then
cut a hole like this
with the jigsaw or with the...
and then I'll trim it to fit.
Oh, okay. So that's what his plan is there. It won't take long, and then we'll be here in another probably less than an hour. We'll probably be, I'll be out here holding a window in while he's inside putting the frame piece in and screwing it in, I imagine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
All the blue tape's coming off. Okay. So yeah, we do have a little bit wider place on mine, but you know where you're having to go in there and dodge the, what do you call those studs? The metal studs?
Metal studs, yeah.
You have to go in there and dodge those metal studs. So it is what it is. It'll be okay. All right. So has he got water hooked up down there?
He's gonna go get the Y splitter.
Yeah. Knock yourself out.
Alright.
Get them off?
One more screw.
Okay. You ready to go up now, right?
Yeah.
We did put that in right side up, didn't we? I think
Yeah.
Okay. I'll accept that. These windows are made in the USA,
Good.
right?
Okay, middle, back.
Middle.
Yeah, no, let's do top and bottom.
You do the top first?
Yeah. It's...
Try to get a better grip. Okay, go for it. It's just, I'm so scared I'm going to push myself off the ladder. Now you go to the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now here's not as bad.
That's not gonna work. I'm going to shift it just a little bit that way whenever I got this one too tight. So it's making it real hard for me to line up.
the other side.
That little groove.
Yeah.
See how many more screws you can pick out of that with these.
The window screws. Oh, you got it. Good. Oh, I'm so glad the windows are done. Now we get to go back to the fun, really pretty stuff, which the windows are really pretty too, I guess. So the company was really good about supplying plenty of screws.
Good, because you need some black screws.
Yeah. These are good, nice screws too. They're not these little cheapy ones that come with my toilet paper holder for sure.
Yeah, they're trailer house screws too.
Yeah.
Number 2s.
Yeah. Okay. I believe that's going to be the end of our putting windows up. I'd get in front of the camera, but my hair's really a mess and it's so windy outside. It's just pointless. But you guys, I think that's the end of the windows. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Or you can PM us. We don't mind at all. We've helped several people already. We try to stay on top of those messages that we get. So if you have a question or you just need someone to give you the courage to put that first hole in your wall, just holler at us. We're always happy to help. Okay, we're gonna let this video go and I'll get this one uploaded, and we have several more coming, so just keep watching.
The only thing we got left is the window
You
and
get
the
it?
door.
Yeah. If you get a chance, please go to YouTube and like this. Make a comment if you want to. And please subscribe. That'll get this out there to more people. Okay, until next time, we'll see you guys later. Tell them bye, Russ.
Bye.